Germarel power.
Hello, this is Germarel ST-GER Series 75 kV Static Stabilizer. As you can see, this is the output 380, input 30, 300 to 430. This is the switch for energizing the internal boards. There is an alarm LED here. If the contactor is off, the LED is lit. This is the changeover switch, and there are 3 panels in the device that works for each phase, regulating independently. This is the panel of the device. You can see the mimic diagram is also here. There is an alarm list here for high-low voltage, overload voltage, and if there is any fault, this red LED is lit. And now we will change the input voltage and show you the regulation of the device. Like that. First of all, I am decreasing the input voltage step by step. You can see that when the input voltage changes, output voltage is also regulating in its range. Now I will just force it to low limit and cut the contactor off. I am decreasing the input voltage step by step. When we reach the low limit, device will give alarm. As you can see, device is now in low voltage limit, so device giving alarm for that. I'm decreasing a little bit more. Yeah. Now the contactor is off position. You can see the alarm LED is lit, as I told you. Now the output is off position. And now I'm increasing the input voltage to the regulation range again. In few seconds, all the alarms will be reset and contactor will be on. Yeah, contactor now is on position. You can see the red LED is off. Contactor now is on. There's energy in the output. Now I'm increasing the input voltage to its high limit. Yeah, we reach its high limit for the regulation. As I told you, the contactor now again off position. The LED is lit. You can see the device just giving high-low voltage again for these phases. For this phase, is still in the regulation mode, but contactor, as I told you, is off. Yeah. In this position, all the phases is in high mode. Now I am decreasing the input voltage to the regulation range again, and in few seconds device will be active. Yeah. After all the samples just get, all the phases is normal, device working properly, contactor is on.
Germarel power.